Okay, today's little drive is we're currently
School
in
zone
Melbourne
ahead.
Park,
The speed limit is
and
40 kilometres.
up to the left here is a mobile phone seatbelt camera. Which I'll be able to add to my mobile phone seatbelt page on my speed camera locations website. For those of you interested in the mobile phone seatbelt cameras, they have basically cover 2 lanes going in the direction you're travelling towards them, so they don't see you from the other side of the road. And with each of the 2 lanes there's infrared flashes or panels to light up your car. There's one picture taken from above looking down into your cabin, and there's one from a front looking, so they can see you holding the camera or your phone on your lap, and they can also see if you've got it up near your ear. Talking on it, and so here it is coming up here in front of us. Now, if you're curious as to how I found this camera, because I haven't just coincidentally gone past it, I've been watching Waze, and interestingly with Waze, if you want to find some of these cameras, you can actually monitor Waze over a day and see which cameras were there in the morning and which cameras were there in the afternoon or night. And sometimes the most obvious is very late at night, is there's only a few blue dots on the Waze app which shows you where sort of police reports are. There's no separate section, so basically if it's stayed there all day and it's been reported multiple times, and a good sign is a couple of dozen times, then it's a pretty high probability that it's a mobile phone seatbelt camera. Well, here it is, here we're going. So there it is. Thank you for watching this video.